I'm sitting here with Wolfgang Kropiunik, Head of Business Development and Western Europe, Uncoated Fine Paper, Europe and International at Mondi. Welcome, Wolfgang.
Thank you.
My name is Thomas Fassold. I'm Editor-in-Chief of Drupa Daily and the German trade magazine Druck und Medien. Welcome to our last Trade Sofa interview of Drupa 2016. Wolfgang, how often have you been to Drupa so far and which was the first one?
I started my drupa career in 2008, where I participated at the Mondi booth, of course. And that was a complete unique experience because I was then working still on the packaging side, but we had some products which are for the graphical industry. And for these products, I was representing Mondi extrusion coating at that time already. It's Drupa 2008. So 8, 12, 16. And the most important one, of course, it's now the current, because yes, we're here, we're doing a lot of things, we are talking with customers, but I have to say that after Drupa is before Drupa, so I think on Saturday morning the most important Drupa will be the 2020 Drupa.
As a paper supplier, Mondi is an important partner of the printing industry. How are Mondi's tasks changing in times of the increasing digitization?
Well, we of course focus very much also on digital printing. So that means papers specialized for high-speed inkjet, electrophotography like HP Indigo, liquid toner like HP Indigo, but also electrophotography. So our classical assortment covered by color copy, for example. In addition, we also have done now a 360 movement, if you want. We are also offering a lot of new papers for premium offset print, because we saw that also in this part the development does not stop, and we have quite a new range also of premium offset papers. So in terms of digital printing, I think we are covering all the technologies, and that's, in my opinion, the big support for the printing industry to reply or to have a good answer on the digitalization of communication in general.
And what are the current trends in terms of design when using graphical papers?
I can tell you the Mondi trends, so to say, or our focus. We are really focusing on sustainable solutions. So I think sustainability is a topic that has been live at Drupa and of course in the industry for the last 10 years. We are very much focused on this. So FSC, PFC, 100% recycled papers, OBA-free papers, or up to the point that our flagship product, Color Copy, is CO2 neutral, delivered by Mondi and supported with CO2 neutral compensation. So this is something where we see one of the trends. And the next trend is really to be very much aligned with the technology in printing, so really have a good reply on new developments like, as I said, liquid toner or high-speed inkjet. So we need to have an answer for the printer who is investing in a new technology. Okay. So that's what we see as our major task as a paper supplier.
And what effect are digital printing smaller runs with more jobs and faster processing of the print jobs having on your business?
Well, clearly there's a shift for printed volumes away from large, static, mostly offset print runs to more dynamic, flexible, variable data-driven digital print runs. So yes, we see this shift in professional printing. On the other side, offset printing is not dead. There is still a large volume going on offset printing press. And we see also a big opportunity in combining the knowledge of offset preprint or offset printing and personalization afterwards. That could be done on two different presses, so preprint and laser or inkjet imprint, or some solutions already exist where both technologies sit on a single machine. Mm-hmm. So this is something, this kind of hybrid printing is also a support we're giving to the printers, that they can run digital, personalized, and also then shorter print runs all the time.
And how can Mondi support print service providers on the path towards increasing levels of digital printing or mixed products?
Well, we are showing applications. So on our booth and in our marketing approach, we try not to advertise the paper as such. So it's not a blank sheet of paper, but we try to give ideas, printed examples, what's the best quality that we could or we have seen with customers, and we are collecting these best practice examples and show them also to other customers that they have an idea. This is the quality level, this is the application that is possible with a combination of a very good paper and a very good technology. So this live examples, if you want, or printed examples are really helping to sell us also our papers, of course.
And how is drupa 2016 going from Mondi's point of view?
We are satisfied. It's always difficult to tell during the fair if the fair was good. If you ask me personally, I had basically non-stop discussions from the morning, before the morning, because I usually have a meeting or two meetings before the show starts with our partners, with the OEMs. So I was just coming back now from Canon, I was visiting Xerox. We have constant talks with the OEMs and then customers, of course. So personally, I was busy from, I would say, 8 to 18 or even later. That is also the tendency from most of my colleagues. We are not really selling on the fair, so there is no contract signed. But the mood is good, customers like what they see on our booth, and they give us good compliments for our approach to printing, sustainability and innovation.
And what have you personally found especially exciting?
I think the extension of print beyond the classical marketing documents that you see, or beyond the printed A4 sheet, is very exciting. So when I look at, for example, even on our booth, a 3D printer based on paper. We have the M-Core 3D printer on our booth, even printing on Mondi paper, of course. Not printing, sorry, building models on Mondi paper. We see a similar approach with Hicon in the other hall. This extension of getting the knowledge how to combine a shape and color to produce something new is very exciting. I like that very much. I think that's a field to watch. And clearly also we as a paper supplier need to be close to this new development. So that was the most exciting aspect of this drupa, I have to say.
Okay, thank you very much for the interview.
Welcome, Thomas. Thank you.